Pleasant morning to one and all present here. I am Pranaviha along with my friends Akshaya Viveka, Keertana Viveka and Sudarshini. We are here to proudly represent our school. We, the students of Sairam Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, are honored to participate in the Biosphere Reserve Champions 2025 organized by USO in collaboration with UNESCO, a competition which inspires young minds to contribute to a sustainable future. Let us now begin to present our model. Our chosen project is the restoration of Coovam River in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. What was once called a sacred river is now carrying 400 million liters of untreated sewage daily, earning the nickname the sewage drain of Chennai.
Our three-part model shows the present state of Coovam with polluted water and encroached banks and lost biodiversity. The second part shows the future possibility, a partially restored river with cleaner water, stronger banks, and improving biodiversity. The last part shows the ultimate possibility, a fully revived river with green corridor and biosphere-like ecosystem where nature and people thrive. We linked this model to the three zones of Biosphere Reserve. The core zone, which is most polluted and protected with revived biodiversity. The buffer zone, which surrounds the core zone and used for research, education and eco-friendly activities. Transition zone, the outermost areas where communities live and practice sustainable livelihood. For inspiration, we look at the successful restoration of River Thames, London, UK, which has been restored through sewage treatment and wetland plants, and the River Sirvani in Tamil Nadu, which has been revived through afforestation, check dams, and community conservation. These show revival is possible through science, governance, and community conservation.
Our plan considers Coovam's monsoon climate, its local plants and animals and urban settings, solid waste management. We should collect and sort waste, recycle plastics and generate energy from other waste. Sewage treatment. We should build decentralized treatment plants in our neighborhoods, use artificial wetlands along with plants like Canna indica, reed and taro to naturally clean water. Repairing vegetation and biodiversity. We should restore river banks with bamboo, peepal, neem and arjuna. We should reintroduce native fishes such as catla to attract birds and butterflies. Lastly, community involvement. Raising awareness campaigns, cleanup programs as well as eco parks. Citizen groups and authority should regularly monitor water quality, control pollution and protect floodplains to desilting.
If this project is successful, the benefits we receive from the Coovam River is that it will recharge the groundwater and provide a reliable drinking water resource. It will reduce the possibilities of floods and droughts, improve the public health, and also revive the plants, animals, and birds of the particular area of Coovam River, which will make the Chennai greener and cooler. It also contributes to the global effort of Sustainable Development Goals, the SDG, which includes the goal number 6, clean water and sanitation, goal number 11, sustainable cities and communities, goal number 12, responsible consumption and production, goal number 13, climate action, and goal number 15, life on land. The restoration of River Thames proved that the revival is possible. Sirvani showed the power of conservation, and now Coovam calls upon us. Restoring this river isn't just about beautifying a river, it's about protecting Chennai's identity, resilience and the future.
Let us pledge today to revive Coovam and through it to revive ourselves. Thank you.